Today we will create a minimalist Xtensionnaire beginner makeup starter kit with Revlon. Hello, I'm Cutie Lucy. The first Xtensionnaire product is lipstick. If you want a creamy, classic lipstick for everyday wear, choose Super Lustrous lipstick. But if you are looking for a bold, classic matte lipstick, go on Super Lustrous matte lipstick. But if you are looking for a natural look that includes hydration and gloss, Super Lustrous Glass Shining Balm is a great choice. But if you need a long-lasting matte liquid lipstick with no transfer, choose ColorStay Limitless matte liquid lipstick. But if you want a soft matte look with staying power, go on ColorStay Suede Ink lipstick. But if you want a satin finish between matte and glossy with long lasting, try ColorStay Satin Ink. But if you want a lightweight, comfortable matte lipstick for everyday wear, choose ColorStay Matte Light Crayon. Now we are moving into blush. If you are a skincare lover girl, this Illuminance Gel Serum blush is for you. But if you want a glowy, fresh look, choose Glimmer Blush Drops. If you love a glassy powder for long wear and control shine, Revlon Powder Blush is a better option. Now we are going to talk about concealer. If you are an active lifestyle girl or live in a humid climate, or if you want a full coverage for special events, ColorStay Flash Well Full Cover Concealer is for you. But if you are an eye-focused girl or a skincare lover girl, ColorStay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 Concealer is a better option. It has caffeine, it has vitamin C, so it is great for reducing puffiness, hydrating and brightening. If normal concealer is not working for your eye dark cycles, check out Glimmer Brightening Concealer. But if you are a travel lover girl, or if you want to use it for PhotoReady, choose PhotoReady Concealer. Setting powder. If you had oily or combination skin or want a reliable, long-wearing powder, choose ColorStay Pressed Powder. But if you had oily or very oily skin and want to absorb oil for summer, try ColorStay Blot Setting Powder. Mascara. If you want bold, volume and length lashes for a night out or special events, Sophia's Big Bad Lash Mascara is the best option. But if you want natural lashes for everyday look, choose ColorStay Full Time Mascara. But if you want to take care of your lashes by using mascara, try ColorStay Xtensionnaire Mascara. And last but certainly not least, we are going to talk about lip gloss. If you want non-sticky gloss for everyday wear and casual outing, choose Super Lustrous the gloss. But if you want radiant glow for a party or holiday events, try Super Lustrous Glimmer Gloss. But if you are looking for hydration gloss, go on Super Lustrous Glimmer Lip Oil. After you choose lipstick, blush, concealer, powder, mascara, and lip gloss. Now we have an essential version of the Revlon Beginner Makeup Starter Kit. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my Cutie Lucy channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. If you are interested in Beginner Makeup Kit, I make many brand kits for you. You can check out here.